Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss about sort method. By using sort method, we have to arrange the elements in either ascending order or descending order. Those elements or numbers, whatever may be, by using sort method, we have to arrange those elements or numbers either ascending order or descending order. Have a look here. See list objects have a sort method that will sort the list alpha numerically ascending by default. The default order of elements is always in ascending order. Always in ascending order. Here two lists are there. We have to see practically first ascending order, then after descending order. See here I took one list of items. These list of items I have to arrange in ascending order based on that first element of the element, first letter of those elements. See here the ascending order of alphabets means based on those alphabets. See here ascending order of alphabets means A, B, C, D, like that, right? Based on that, whatever elements are there, those will arrange in ascending. See first, let's have a look here. Fruits dot sort method. Fruits dot sort and print fruits. Print fruits. See, it will print as ascending order based on those alphabets. See, banana, cherry, coconut, kiwi, and orange. See, here cherry and coconut both are having. Cherry and coconut. Cherry and coconut are both are same letters at first place. But at that time it will compare second letter. The second letter is H and this is O. That's why this is the ascending order for this. As well as we have to see for numbers also here. See same numbers dot sort. Numbers dot sort print numbers. Print numbers. See here the numbers arrange in 1 2 3 4 5, up to 9. Up to 9 the numbers are arranged in ascending order. Suppose if I want to print as descending order, first I need descending order. At that time what happen? See here you keep as reverse as a keyword. Reverse as a keyword. The reverse keyword you keep as true. The reverse keyword you keep as true. At that time what happen? It will print as descending order. See default it's ascending order, but when you keep reverse as a keyword, at that time it's a descending order. See orange, kiwi, coconut, cherry, and banana. Same as for numbers is also you keep reverse. Reverse is equal to true. Reverse is equal true. Reverse is equal to true. What happened? See here. See 9876. Like it printed. See next. See descending order also already we saw. Next, case insensitive. Case insensitive means suppose the list of items is having uppercase letters and as well as lowercase letters. See the first default representation is uppercase letters. The default representation is uppercase letters, then after it will print lowercase letters. Based on the sort method. See, by default the sort method is case sensitive, resulting all capital letters being sorted before lowercase letters. This list banana, orange, kiwi, and cherry. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Here I have a list. In this list, I want to change O as capital letter and as well as Chetty is also capital letter. Two elements I changed as capital letters. These two elements, when I was sorted, the two elements will be print first, then after remaining elements are lowercase letters. Let's have a look here. See, cherry and orange. Cherry and orange I kept as a capital letters. That's why those two elements are printed upper first two places. Remaining whatever lowercase letters are there at first place, those printed as remaining places. This is the default order. This is the default order. Next, suppose I want to print this list. Whatever list is given, I want to print as reverse order. I want to print reverse means at that time you keep it reverse. You keep it as reverse. See, at that time, you see banana, orange, kiwi, cherry, and coconut is there. This order will be printed reverse: coconut, cherry, kiwi, orange, and banana. By using reverse method, the elements will be printed at reverse. Okay, this is the sort method, friends. I hope you understand. It's very easy. Okay, by using for sort methods, we have so many sorting techniques are there: bubble sort, insertion sort, selection sort. Okay, those concepts coming under data structures. Okay, when I will explain those concepts at data structures. Okay. Okay, friends, I hope you understand this video. Okay, this is very simple concepts. Okay, take on random list. You have to practice with the sort method by using default and as well as reverse. Okay. Thank you so much. If you understand this video, please like this video as well as subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, friends.